In this video, I'm going to share with you a breathing exercise that is very useful if you're suffering from asthma attacks, coughing attacks, or anxiety. It's called the Buteyko method. The Buteyko method is a gentle and science-proven technique that helps you calm your nervous system and calm your breathing. It's important to remember that if you're pregnant, you should not be doing this practice. Also, if you have a serious condition, check with a Buteyko professional or a medical professional before you try this. The exercise is quite simple. You take a breath in and then out and then hold the breath for about 5 seconds. At that time, you want to hold the top of your nose. This way you can ensure that no air comes in or out accidentally. And we repeat this breathing for about 5 or 10 minutes or until your symptoms have gone away or until you have calmed down. The first thing is to find a quiet space. Make sure you're in a comfortable environment. And you can do this sitting in a chair or you can do it lying down on the floor. During the practice, it's very important to remember that you should be breathing through your nose the whole time and after the practice. Now, let's begin this exercise. So just exhale and relax. And then breathe normally through your nose and exhale, holding the top of your nose and count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go, inhale, normal, and exhale. Again, hold the top of the nose, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go, inhale, exhale. Hold, counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue. An inhale, soft exhale through the nose, and then pinch, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go, inhale, exhale, and hold. If you ever feel uncomfortable, you need to take a breath, you can pause and then just breathe normally and then continue again. And here I'm inhaling, exhale, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale, normal exhale, all through the nose, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. Inhale, exhale, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll do this a couple more times. Inhale, exhale, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. Inhale, exhale, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and exhale. Now you can try to continue this for about 5 or 10 minutes, or like I said before, until your symptoms have disappeared. If you suffer from coughing attacks, anxiety, or asthma on a regular basis, then you should practice this breathing technique maybe every day or 3 times a week. If you don't really have time for that, well, then you can use this breathing practice anytime you are suffering from your symptoms. I recommend trying this for another 5 or 10 minutes right now, just to get used to the practice. You can change the count a little bit. If you want to hold for 3 seconds instead of 5, you can try that. If you want to go for longer, holding for 6 or 7 seconds, this is also another way you can go. But don't push yourself too hard. Just get comfortable with the practice, and remember, you can do this in most places, sitting in your office, maybe at home, maybe sitting on a train or a bus. This is something you can take with you and practice almost anywhere. I hope this was useful for you. I hope that it helps you, and see you next time.